Traditionally, bonds have been used to balance your portfolio so you don't have that huge swing in your portfolio. And also, you can use a bond when the market tanks, so you can use the money to buy stocks that have fallen. But recently, it's been really hard for most people to find good bonds that pay good distributions. And that's why most people are shying away. But not only that, also we've seen bonds taking the hit, they go down. But this new bond from Roundhill is a game changer because this is an ETF that invests in T-bill, which is the government bonds, and it does not have NAV erosion. They just increase their payment, and that's a very attractive. Now, I'm going to show you the distribution they just paid from what they paid last week and how much you can make within 5 years if you invest in this bond. Roundhill Trust Week. This is a ETF that came out about maybe 3 weeks ago. The price is around $100. It doesn't have any erosion, so it's going to stay at $100. And the good thing is it's going to pay weekly. 52-week range has range between 99.99 to 136, so there's no big movement. If you invest in this ETF from beginning, your money is still intact. Expense ratio is only 0.19. That's very little. Here, really quick for people who don't know about this ETF, the Roundhill Weekly T-bill ETF week is a short-term treasury bill ETF designed to pay weekly distributions of current income to shareholders. Week is the first of its kind ETF that target a stable NAV week over week. Week is an actively managed ETF, so stable NAV meaning it doesn't go down in NAV. And NAV, as you know, right now is $100, so it's going to stay around $100. And the main three reasons why you should invest in this ETF is because it does pay weekly distributions. It's a cash alternative, so instead of having cash, you can invest in this one. And a stable NAV, it does not have that NAV erosion. Distribution, it does pay weekly, and last week they paid very little, and a lot of people were disappointed because it was only 7 cents, and that was on March 12, 2025. This week they're going to pay a little bit more. Ex-dividend date and record date is today, March 18th. Payment days on Wednesday, March 19, 2025. And they're going to pay about 8 cents. That's an increase of about 14%. The next distributions coming up is going to be on March 26, 2025. And that will be the last one for this month of March. Here I put a little spreadsheet to show you the difference. So this is the ticker symbol week. Price is $100. Distribution was last week 7 cents, and this week is 8 cents. You can see last week was 3.54%, and this week is going to be 4.15%. From 3.54 to 4.54, that's a difference of 14%. That's pretty good. Now, if we average between this payment and this payment, we're getting about 7.5. So the yield is going to be about 3.90. If you're an investor who wants to invest your money and let it grow for a long time, we have initial investment of $100,000, annual interest rate 4.15. This is based off the current distribution that just paid, compounded weekly. If you check my other video, I show you how you can actually compound your money every other day. And that's a video I just made a couple days ago. Number of months, we're going 60 months, which is about 5 years. After 5 years, your investment plus dividends that you've received is going to be 123K. That's close to 5,000 a year. But again, remember, this is just a math we're doing based on this couple distribution they just paid. They might increase these distributions, and of course, the math here will change. Instead of 4.15%, it might be maybe 5% or 6% or 7%. I'll keep you updated on that. I just want to make this video to keep you an update on week. This is a brand new ETF from Roundhill, which invests in the T-bill, is a bond, and has a stable NAV. I wanted to show you the distribution increase that they just paid for this week and how you can benefit from investing in this ETF. If you like this type of content, consider liking this video and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss this type of update whenever I release new videos. Also, if you know anyone who this video might help, please share with that person. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye.